Hey friends, let's see what is inside my refrigerator. There's the refrigerator. Here's the stove. Here's the refrigerator. Let's see what's inside here. Let's take a look. We got milk, orange juice, salsa, coffee creamer for your coffee, mayonnaise for sandwiches, yogurt, what else? Eggs. What else we got here? We have cheese, Swiss cheese, and what's this down here? We got sparkling water. We got a heart-shaped box. See's candies. Well, we got See's candy, and we got Lunchables. And what's back here? Let's see. Mustard for the sandwich. And let's see, we have soup. Oh boy. Macaroni salad, and peanut butter, and let's see what else. Chili peppers, horseradish, and we got butter, and what is this here? Guacamole. All right, that's pretty good.